Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and in this video we're going to be talking all about Cash App. So with these types of apps, what people want to know, what a lot of people search for is like, is it legit? Is it safe to use? Especially for some of these apps that are starting to do cryptocurrency. So Cash App allows you to have cash and Bitcoin, of course. I have a really tiny amount of Bitcoin on here. But people just want to know, like, is this app legit? So for Cash App, this app is super legit. It's not like some startup that's sketchy, that's 50-50, they're like, it's kind of meh. This app is totally legit. The company is totally legit. It's built extremely well from like a design and development standpoint. As far as Bitcoin goes, you can buy and sell Bitcoin within the app. However, you cannot send Bitcoin off of the app or receive Bitcoin from somewhere else. Basically, you can only buy and sell it within the app. I would imagine that they're working on adding a lot of those other features to the app right now. And because they've made it so easy to do, I would imagine that this will become one of like the most popular cryptocurrency apps. They've just made it easy to use, easy to access. That's my take on it. It's super legit. I've also opened up some information here. Like, you can Google Cash App. You can see it's got a 4.5 rating in the App Store out of 5 stars. And this is the big thing right here. Cash App is a mobile payment service developed by Square Inc. So Cash App is made by Square Inc. And if we go to Square Inc., we can read a little bit more about this here. So the CEO is Jack Dorsey. He is also the CEO of Twitter, another huge company. So these are massive companies. This isn't just like some random startup. And if we search Square Inc. Worth, you can see they have a market cap of 26.25 billion. So this company is worth $26 billion. They're not just out here to like screw people, to scam anyone. They're not shutting down anytime soon. This company is killing it. I personally believe in this company and some of the things that they're doing. So yeah, there's my overview on it. Cash App is legit. I recommend using it. Also, if you sign up with my link in the description, we both get $5 for free. So feel free to do that if you want. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Turn on post notifications, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.